Do not settle for ordinary. This has never been on the market before, brand spanking new. And trust me, it's not the truck. Welcome to the law offices of Young, and Young. I got to tell you, I've never felt like I've walked into the lobby of a really swanky hotel or 1970s high-end law firm until now. This is the brand spanking new Dutchmen Denali 366RK. You're looking at 40 feet, 10 inches, 14,200 pounds of break the ordinary fifth wheel. This just happens to be a couples coach, even though you could sleep 4 easily inside this beauty. Highlighted by a rear kitchen that is going to make Gordon Ramsay jealous, an office as well as a mini dinette, more seating than you can shake a stick at, beautiful entertainment center, hidden storage, and a front bedroom that everybody's going to want to copy as soon as they see it. Let's start in the rear kitchen of this beauty. Is Don Draper here by chance? I need my scotch. Don? If you got the Mad Men reference, please throw me a like. The highlight of the 366RK is going to be this rear kitchen, which features beautiful cabinetry, clean lines, as well as an oversized cooking station and a 20 cubic foot fridge. But I want to start right here. This gorgeous solid surface countertop has a LED light going all the way around that. Add that to the fact that I got the high-rise faucet with a pull-down sprayer and one of the largest porcelain-coated oversized sinks that I think I've ever seen, not only in an RV, but in a home. This stands out. Standard RV features are going to be here as well, but I think what we need to focus on with the Dutchmen Denali line is going to be this decor and this design. I really wish my friend Trish was here because I'd love to get her feedback. Just take a look at this. Modern, but also a throwback. Reminds me of what you're going to see in a swanky 1970s hotel or the new hotels that are coming around today. Now, cabinetry, beveled but flat front with these beautiful pulls. I'm going to say this is gold. It's lighter than the oiled bronze that I've seen in other RVs, so I'm just going to call this gold. And this is also brand new, a prototype. You're seeing it for the first time. Some of the features on here may change, but the layout is going to be the same. I got the nice upgraded hinges, solid surface countertops all the way around, square windows with inlaid shades. I'm going to get more on that once we get to the living area, but take a look at my cooking space. Oversized 3-burner cooktop, large oversized oven, plus down below, I got the pot and pan drawer. Now, your drawers that you're going to have inside the Denali, full extension, solid wood, upgraded with those full extension drawer guides. But look at this. This is my hood, but it's hiding my microwave. The only thing that I think they're probably going to adjust on this is how it closed. It is gas strut supported, but it is a little bit tight to get back down. You just got to be careful of it. Got more storage behind me. Almost like what you're going to have at home. Pop-up power station there, pop-up power station here. More drawer storage. The lines, the beveling, the gold with the wood and the white with the gray inlays and the LED light just screams beautiful design. Whoever came up with this, tip of the hat and kudos. 20 cubic foot fridge freezer combo that does have the fresh filter in it. I love that because it just recirculates fresh air, fresh water all the way around. Got even more storage up top. Wow, Shaquille O'Neal's got to get up there to get the Captain Crunch for that one. Your boy Uncle Chris can't, but I like how they gave me a Max vent fan up top. More storage here. You got pull-out drawers, just calling cards of thoughtful design and upgraded features. You even got a trash can holder here with an additional drawer. Pretty sweet. But where are you going to eat? As big as this is, it's a couples coach. Because take a look at my dinette that also doubles as an office. Solid wood tabletop here. Once again, you're going to see those lines, those ridges all the way throughout this coach. You're also going to see the round. I think whoever thought the round with the lines really was a design maven because it looks good. More pop-up power stations, chairs that can be stored away, as well as more storage over here. Thoughtful throughout the whole entire thing. Now let's take a look at this living area because that is really the lobby of Young, and Young. The living area is highlighted by a beautifully designed entertainment center. You got the sectional couch over here that also has a hide-a-bed plus some recliners. It does kind of look like the lobby of a nice swanky law firm. Now the windows, oversized and square, some of the largest you're going to find in class. Add that to the fact that they gave me the thin shades in here that also have a reflective backing. That's going to give you privacy, but also help regulate the temperature inside this coach with extremely high ceilings because we are a full profile fifth wheel. Now, entertainment center. I don't think I've seen a TV that big. Look at the hideaway storage that they give you, which is cut out inside these grooved cabinetry. Got the oversized fireplace. Got ducting right there for my heat. Got a sound bar. Got my AC. Got my recliners so that if I do have people joining me, I can kick back and chill. I got a shelf here with pop-up power station as well as storage. And if somebody wants to kick out maybe the kids, maybe the visits, the grandkids, underneath here, hide a bed. That's plush, man. So like, I'm seeing this for the first time. I want you to know that. We got a chance to like walk it before we filmed it, but I'm seeing and touching a lot of this for the first time. Recliner here, recliner over there. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Flush floor slides, beautiful decor. Okay, sorry. I'm getting lost. Come on, follow me here. Before I head upstairs to the sanctuary, I want to show you this right here. So it's a continuation of the entertainment center. This is where your command panel is. Cut on your lights as well as run out your slides. Check your tanks. You also have heating pads on your tanks here. Now for your tanks, you have a 108-gallon fresh, 88-gallon gray, 44-gallon black, and they do have heated pads on it. You're also generator prepped. So you got your controls for that right here if you need to start and stop it. Add that to the fact that you also have inverter prep and solar on top. Very nice features if you want to take this thing off the grid for some long-term, I don't know, beach living. Then right here, a butler storage. Love the fact that we have this here. I can put my coats, my grab bags. I got great storage here. I like how they're maximizing the space. More importantly, I like how they're covering everything up. A lot of times in fifth wheels or just RVs in general, these components are just exposed. They've actually continued the design to cover up things that usually aren't covered. Right there's my fuse panel. Free floating steps with LED light, curved bar, HVAC controls for my double ACs that are here, as well as my double vent fans. But let me show you this. Now the bathroom of the 366RK is highlighted by LED lights all the way around. Elegant touches and a shower that makes me want to take 5 or 6 in a row. What am I talking about? Check this bad boy out. Another vent and fan, high ceilings, LED lights all the way around, porcelain bowl with the foot flush, towel hanger here as well as hooks. But look at the underlay of the light, just like what we have in the kitchen in my solid surface top that we have here on my vanity. Got the crescent moon sink, more storage, upgraded hinges, plenty of storage. Absolutely love the LED light inlay inside of my mirrored medicine cabinet doors. Can't tell you how much I like that. Glass enclosed shower, more linen storage here. Okay, my shower surround is nice. Skylight gives me room. I got the foldable teak bench right here, or I guess wood. Teak, wood, I don't know. I'm thinking design. I'm trying to be like, oh, but look at me. My clothes look like 2 street gangs from LA clashing, for crying out loud. Okay, boom. Matte black features here on my adjustable shower head, which is upgraded. Absolutely love this thing. But when I saw the primary bedroom of this, I was like, I get it. Let me show you what I mean. The primary bedroom of the 366RK, highlighted by king size bed, storage, and I just, man, come on. My buddy Ryan just said he's getting the vibes of a very high-end Middle Eastern swanky hotel. A lot of manufacturers this year have gone to the circular cutout. Some of them do it right, most don't. Just being honest, in my opinion, it's not functional. It looks good, it's not functional. This one, I absolutely love, and let me show you why. Not only do the doors open, I do wish they'd go a little bit further back. That's my only kick. Washer dryer prep, solid pressed surface top right here. Very nice. Great for just keeping your clothes folded, keeping stuff laid out, baskets if you need it. Sure, you got drawers right here, but the LED light hanger bars that are motion sensing, come on, man. You got to go overboard like that? You went overboard, and I'm here for it. I'm 100% here for it. Circular light, not just a mushroom light right here in the bedroom. Once again, just adding some flair. Second AC right here. Padded headboard. Strut supported storage under my king size bed. Got windows on both sides. I need a little bit of nightstand space. That's the only negative. I do have a couple of cutouts coming off the walls, but a little nightstand space would be nice. Over here, another large size TV, more windows, bench seat with hidden storage, and space for my shoes underneath. But the subdued lights on the side, I started clapping. This is something I think RVs have been needing. A little bit of style, a little bit of flair that's also functional. All in all, so far, the Dutchmen Denali, checking my boxes, man. Checking my boxes. Now, the outside of your Dutchmen Denali 366RK, highlighted by 2 awnings, 18 and 14 feet. More storage than I think you could ever use. Generator prep, the awesome Kurt Helix hitch, as well as dual 8,000-pound axles. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me hit on this hitch. When you're talking about towing, and you want good, clean, safe towing, that you're not gonna have all that chucking and bucking and bouncing going up and down, Kurt has done a fantastic job designing these Helix series with the coil suspension in there. The shock absorber, if you will, really makes towing a whole heck of a lot easier. Now add that to the fact that underneath, I have me some storage doors, generator prep, inverter prep. Right there is the bucket for my fluid, for my leveling. And these doors are aluminum. Absolutely love that. Now, once again, this is a prototype, so a couple of things are going to change on this. The latches are going to change. There might be some colors, some graphics. We just wanted to show this to you first and foremost because it just hit the market. And when I say just, we had to get it here so I can check it out. Battery box is going to be located here on the campsite. Check out my rubberized flooring that we have here in the pass-through storage. With the Rotocast, I also have some lights to give me some safety and checking out when I'm out here. Netting, so if I got stuff that doesn't need to move around, I can load that in the front because this is a tri-access storage compartment. Love the fact that wherever I'm at, I can get to whatever I need. And the fact that my doors open like this, love it. Heated and closed underbelly. Solid step over steps. Got the safety rail, 2 awnings. Right there is a really good shot of not only the reflective backing on my shades that are coming across. You might not be able to pick it up on the screen, but there's also a silver metallic sheen on the windows. That looks good. It's also going to help regulate that temperature on the inside. Double axles on this beauty right there, those 8,000-pound axles, and the CRE 3000 suspension. That's going to really help when you're going down the road, level that thing out and give you a much smoother tow. And the 8,000-pound axles, a lot of fifth wheels only go 7, maybe 7,500-pound glads. Put in the 8s on there. Trust me, you'll notice the difference. Solid ladder going up top. Backup camera prep. 50 amp. Got the 2-inch receiver. Drains down here. Man, I'm digging this thing. I am digging this thing. What is this? Like, I haven't opened up some of these, so you're experiencing it with me. Oh, okay. Now, this is pretty cool. Aluminum door right here with my connections, fresh tank fill, spray port, winterization selector, as well as my dump controls for my tanks. 108, 88, 44 on your tanks, fresh, gray, black. Other side of my storage right here. This is something I want to show you. I've seen this in a couple of other RVs, granted, very sparingly. Right here is a bypass system for your water. What does that mean? You can just come in here and cut it off. That's pretty freaking sweet. You need to be like, oh, you know, we're not going to be here for a while. Let's kind of giving you more flexibility of control is really the sweet part about it. But the fact that everything is right here, also pretty sweet. Thoughtful. Very thoughtful. Now, what is this? Oh, okay, that's my LP tanks. So you got your battery on one side, which is the camp side, LP on the off camp side. Right here is the controls for your automatic leveling system. You liking it so far? It's different, right? Leave me some comments down below and let me know, what are you thinking about the Dutchmen Denali 366RK? What do you like? What do you not like? The design threw me off. I'm just being honest with you. I liked it, then I didn't like it. And I liked it, I didn't like it. I got some friends that were like, it looks kind of 70s, not crazy about it. Then I had some other friends that were like, wow, this is actually really cool. It looks very modern. Whatever it is, it was thought out and it was designed with purpose. And I respect that. I appreciate it. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know, what do you think about the Dutchmen Denali? Would you change it? Where are you going to take it when you do have it? And as always, like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I mean, hey man, if you had the notification on, your dream RV might be what you just looked at. And as always, rv.campingworld.com, or come on into your local Camping World if you want to inquire about the brand spanking new Dutchmen Denali 366. Hopefully by the time you see this, some of them have already made it close to you. I just wanted to bring it to you first because don't tell anybody else, but I love you.